Global markets now move in algorithmic time. Supply chains pivot, demand shifts, and disruptions compound in a fraction of a second. But inside most corporate structures, decisions are still being processed at a human pace. On the left, a leaky bucket where capital drains away during weeks of analysis paralysis. While competitors capture digital growth on the right, sluggish organizations lose up to 70% of their profit margins to delayed reactions. High-velocity markets evaporate opportunities before stagnant organizations can even form a committee. Success depends on the speed of the decision, not just the quality of the idea. We call this void the execution chasm. It is the operational space where a boardroom strategy stalls and dies before implementation. The actual blockage is internal friction. This friction manifests as cognitive bias, fear of job obsolescence, and rigidly siloed departments. Middle management resists the change, and executive intent gets lost in translation. This is the AI universal engine. It functions as a surgical theater for enterprise complexity, a system built to synchronize human intuition with machine precision. Before touching a market strategy, the system deploys its cognitive behavioral synapse, or CBS engine, to diagnose the internal health of the organization. Instead of treating office politics and anxiety as soft, unmanageable variables, the CBS engine digitizes them. It maps organizational fear, uncertainty, and resistance, and calculates an exact numerical coherence score. Once the internal culture is stabilized, the engine turns outward to manage volatility. It fractures your strategy into the 10K variation stress test. The engine instantly clones that decision and runs it concurrently across 10,000 distinct simulated futures. We then bombard these simulated timelines with extreme market shocks, sudden energy crises, inflation spikes, and supply chain collapses. We watch hundreds of strategic trajectories break until we find the path that survives. You select the path mathematically proven to withstand extreme disruption. This brings the organization into a state we call the aura of two minds. Human leadership provides the empathy, the experiential wisdom, and the visionary why. The AI strips away cognitive bias and calculates the precise, risk-averse how. By replacing manual guesswork with preemptive logic, strategic execution timelines shrink from months down to a strictly engineered 100-day window, locking in risk de-escalation and cost compression. Close the execution gap in your organization and secure your position by booking the 10K stress test audit. The future belongs exclusively to those who design it. Why leave yours to chance?